Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we are going to do a volume index. This means a volume index that consists of the Laspeyres, Paasche, Fisher and the chain Laspeyres volume index. After we calculate them, we are going to do a figure that can tell us something about their development. We start by calculating the Laspeyres volume index. In this section, we hold three factors still, while the quantity or volume in the numerator of the fraction is moving. For each year, the quantity corresponds to the number in the same year. I am trying to do it so you can keep up, but just remember to get all the details and in the right order. It's very important that it is in the right order, otherwise your calculation will fail. And as you can see, the numerator of the fraction is the only one moving. And then the last year before we can move on. Oh, I just forgot the sum product. The sum product is just a more easy way to get the job done. But you can also type it manual. Now as the Laspeyres volume index is done, we move forward by doing the Paasche volume index. In this section we are moving three of the four factors, while we hold the volume in the denominator of the fraction constant in the beginning year. So before with the Laspeyres we held only one factor that we're moving, but in this Paasche volume index there are three factors who is moving every time. The Laspeyres and Paasche volume index is clearly the two most complicated ones to do. It will be a bit easier when we get to the Fisher volume index. The Fisher volume index is kind of a mix between Laspeyres and Paasches. Because here we take the square root of Laspeyres and Paasches and then get a number, just as I multiply them here. In the last section, we look at the chain Laspeyres volume index. And to calculate this one, we calculate the Laspeyres as usual, but just also multiply the previous number on. So the development of this one will be a bit more different than just the Laspeyres volume index. Yeah, and you can see the fraction. And of course here we shouldn't multiply it with 100 because we already multiplied it with the previous number who were multiplied with 100. So yeah, I hope you understand. Finally, we have all the data and can make our figure of the Laspeyres, Paasche, Fisher, and chain Laspeyres volume index. It is important that the figure can be read by itself, so I am just doing a bit of details. We use 2015 as our index and start year. You may notice that the price index is below. And if you want to learn how to calculate that one, I also calculate the price index in one of the other videos on this channel. So jump in and you will definitely find it among other videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and it made your life just a little bit easier. And if it did, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. And hit the like button. But this is how to make a volume index. And then I just hope I see you until next time. Goodbye, fellas.